Hello again, 164 scale customizers. So if you ever wonder, would these wheels look better on this model if they weren't black? And I think that when I look at these two models. This is a MiniGT Skyline GTR. Great model. It's just that, the Forgiato wheels they put on there are black, so you can't really see much of them. And then this Lykan Supersports here, again, it's got black wheels. It's just, I feel it's a shame, to not see the details of those. So I'm going to take these things apart, take the tires off, and then I'm going to shoot some either gold or silver, probably silver, because I don't think I'll ever match the striping on this. In fact, the striping on this isn't gold. It's actually like a yellow. It looks like a cream yellow. It doesn't look like it's a metallic to me. So I don't think I should, I don't know, I gotta think about it. But anyways, give me a second here and I will be back and we'll see what happens. So I'm back and luckily, both of these models were screwed together bases, so I was able to take the wheels out pretty easily and shoot them with some silver with an airbrush. And since I had the GTR opened, I painted the interior a little bit like a light gray, and then later added some silver paint pen to the mirrors as well. So if you guys don't have an airbrush, I highly recommend you get one. You don't have to invest in a super hobby grade brush or compressor. When I was doing some miniature models, I bought one of those $30 kits you can buy off eBay, and they're meant for nail salons. So if you look up like nail airbrush, there's a tiny little compressor and a cheap metallic airbrush. And it actually worked, It's obviously not as good as a professional airbrush, but it gets the job done. So, and then I recommend Vallejo paints, which are water-based, and so the vapors are a little less dangerous than, say, using Tamiya, which are, I think, IPA alcohol-based. And you definitely don't want to use enamels. That those things are oil-based, and so you gotta use harsher chemicals to thin them out. All right. Well, anyways, I thought I'd share this with you guys. Thanks for tuning in.